Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by locking a UMP-friendly loadout and moving immediately into practical engagement. Equip a compensator and 2x4x for recoil control, then choose a 30-45 round mag for sustained fights. Once done, land in a medium loot area to secure armor, medkits, and 1 grenade. These keep you alive while practicing. You want early gunfights at 15 to 30 meters, focusing on crouch shots and single tap bursts. This teaches recoil rhythm and hit placement fast. You refine technique by controlling space and timing your engagements. Move cover to cover and avoid open runs. When you must peek, use quick peek or tap crouch to bait shots. Once engaged, apply 3 5-round bursts at 20 to 40 meters to keep spread manageable, and switch to controlled full auto inside 15 meters where hip fire and strafing win. Make sure to pre-aim head level and focus on recoil recovery between bursts, which increases consistent damage output and secures more eliminations. You finish fights by closing distance smartly and forcing one-on-one windows. Use smoke or flash to cut sightlines, then rush with crouch strafing and aim for headshots to end duels quickly. Keep ammo management in mind. If a reload would cost you the kill, swap to your secondary instead. If things go wrong, accuracy dipping, missed bursts, reset by lowering scope magnification or adjusting sensitivity, and run focused 10-minute drills, practicing recoil bursts, until muscle memory returns.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.